Joe, I've just been speaking with David there. I guess the game that nobody wanted, but good to get it out of your system after Thursday night.
Yeah, I think of course it was important probably to bounce back from Thursday. Of course it's not what everyone wanted, but yeah, that's football. Unfortunately, it can be cruel, and of course there's a lot of games ahead, so it's important that we get over it and get back together, and of course move forward.
Yeah, just in general, when you look back at not just this week, Joe, but this entire campaign, how do you reflect on it?
Yeah, of course. The manager coming in as well, and we haven't had that long together, so we're just going to keep getting better and better. And there's so much potential in this team, and like I said, it's important to keep building. And we got a lot of big games coming up, so it's important to get ready and keep moving forward and improving as a group. Yeah,
because the manager's been very clear. There are very exciting things to come, a challenging and exciting Nations League campaign, a home Euros as well. As players, how much now are you relishing what's to come for this Wales side?
Yeah, of course, it's experience of a lifetime, so I'm sure everyone's going to want to be part of it, and hopefully we can have everyone available and the strongest group as possible. And like I said, so many things to look forward to and so many big games to come.
Joe, diolch, thank you.
Cheers, thank you.